Hi guys, welcome to Raza Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of this expression, which is 5 divided by 5 divided by 5 times 5. So how can we find the value of this expression? We should all know in PEMDAS that division and multiplication have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So we can solve this expression from left to right. So firstly 5 divided by 5, which is equal to 1, divided by 5 multiplied by 5. Okay guys, now I can write here 1 divided by 5 is 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 5. Here 5 and 5 cancel with each other and the final answer of this expression is 1. Guys, this is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.